So this time we have to find out reduction formula for integration of cos power nx. You know that we can handle cos x, we can handle cos square x after converting cos square x into linear. We can handle cos cube x after converting it into linear, but we cannot handle power 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 50, 1000. Okay. So how we will respond to those questions, we will understand over here. Means we will be extracting general formula associated with this situation. So what we should do? First, consider this question as IN. Okay. Now, so suppose that you have cos x. So if you are dealing with sin x or cos x, you should take one thing outside. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay. If you are dealing with sine, if you are dealing with cos, take one thing outside and you can initiate the chain reaction. So we can write In as integration of cos power n minus 1x and then cos x dx. Now you know that we have to take first function as the function whose differentiation is easy. So if you will observe this function, its differentiation as well as integration both are easy. But if you will observe this function, its differentiation is easy, but we don't know the integration. If we know the integration, we can directly find out the formula of In. Okay, so we will consider this as the first function, we will consider this as the second function. So first function, integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function into integration of second function. Okay, now let's solve this result. So cos power n minus 1x, what is the integration of cos x? It is sin x minus, what is the differentiation of cos power n minus 1? So n minus 1 cos n minus 1 minus 1, so it will become minus 2. Okay, so this is the differentiation of the power. Now we will differentiate cos. So differentiation of cos is sin x. Okay, so you are dealing with sine, so you will have minus if you are dealing with a C type question. Okay, now what is the integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is sin x dx. Okay, now let's write down this thing again. So cos n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 taken outside, integration of cos power n minus 2 x. Can I write this thing as sine square? And can I write sine square as 1 minus cos square x dx? Okay, now rewrite everything. Cos n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 integration cos n minus 2x dx minus n minus 1 integration cos nx dx. Again apply the replacements. Cos n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2, because we have considered it as in if the power of cos is n. So this time power of cos is n minus 2. So we will consider it as I of n minus 2. Now it is n minus 1. This thing will become in. And here also we have in. Now for simplification, ask everyone to come same side. So it is in plus n times in minus in equals cos power n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2. If you'll observe, you can play fruit ninja, this thing done. So in will be equal to what? Cos of n minus 1x sin x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2 upon n. So this is the formula for integration of cos power nx. So if you will have cos power 3, you can directly write down the answer. Cos power 5, 7, 9, kuch bhi. You can use this result to mark that answer. I hope the idea is clear, and till date we guys have studied sine power n, cos power n. Okay, in these two situations we have taken one thing outside and then we have applied integration by parts. Okay, where we have studied that we will consider first function as the function whose differentiation is easy. Okay.